Now I will talk about Ripple Delete, and this is an amazing feature in Premiere Pro. For example, I want to cut this clip here and here. Then normally we select this cut, hit delete. Again select it. Click on delete. Then drag these clips to attach them together. And it takes a lot of time. There is an easy way to do that. Just select these two cuts by holding the Shift key. Then click Shift plus Delete. And that's it. This is called Ripple Delete. For another example, I wanted to delete these top track clips. Then we have to attach every clip. But if you are using Ripple Delete, just mark these top clips. Click Shift plus Delete. And that's it. So it will save your time, and you can edit faster.